Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a message with special effects on your iPhone, such as fireworks, laser, balloon, confetti, spotlight, love, echo, celebration. All of these special effects that you see, you can do these steps to send it. So in order to do that, first thing you're going to start with by opening up your message app. And once you open up message app, simply go ahead and message someone. Here, I'm typing a message to someone. For example, let's go ahead and type on hey to someone, right? And a key here is you're going to long press and hold on to the send. Instead of just clicking it, which will send a message, you're going to long press and hold. And once you long press and hold, another menu will activate. Again, the key to keep and remember here is you're going to long press and hold that send arrow, and then you're going to switch over to screen here. And this is where all the special effects are. Starting with the first one, this screen is echo. If you swipe to the left here, you're going to see spotlight. And then one more time, balloon, and then confetti. And then again, swipe to the left, love, lasers, and then one more screen, fireworks, and then celebration. And when you're ready to select whatever screen animation that you like to send this message effect with, you just simply click on that arrow and it's going to send it to them. And when they open up, they're going to see the special effect like this on their screen. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.